All right, listen up. Guys, relax, listen up. Father Uloma, what are you saying? See, this padre, I so much hold you at a very high esteem. What's your name? Because when next you're making it right up, right, on your big page, because try to what? Say things that can be agreed by people like us. What's your name? Because you understand me? All the very simple. Guys, relax, man. This post was made by Father Uloma, I think 2 days ago. Okay? I have to what screenshot it, right, to keep it. Say later, I go come what analyze them. It was because most of the things he said on this post was a lie. It was yes. See. Now listen now. In his post, he said, fake or true testimony, whether it's fake, RNG, right, or true. There is no biblical basis for giving testimonies before a congregation during, before, or after worship. All these are novel marketing strategies copied directly from corporate and business organizations. The primary aim is to maximize profit. That is to make profit, right? Everything else is a smoke screen. When the gospel, prayers, or worship becomes a product, advertisement becomes a necessity. That's another name for the testimonies you hear either from the MD/CEOs of these pious businesses of their projects. Did you hear Jesus Christ giving testimonies of the last miracles he did before he started preaching to a new audience? Did you hear Elijah, Elisha, or any prophet mention any of their miracles to a new audience? No. Shebi, Peter and John made a cripple to walk, Abi? Did you hear them give the testimony anywhere in their letters? How about who raised the dead? Do you see him giving the testimony in the numerous letters he wrote? That miracle was mentioned by Luke in the Acts of the Apostle. God is not a product that needs marketing and advertisement in the guise of testimonies to be sold. Every true pastor is called to preach the gospel. Fine and good. Father Uloma, you spoke well. You get me, your post really makes sense. You get me, but see, I have to get it analyzed. So the very simple guy. Now, let's not. You said Jesus Christ, mind you. Who is Christ? Let me know. Who is Christ? Christ is God, right? Yes, we can believe that what Christ is God. You get me? Because he said, I am the way, the truth, and the life, man. Whoever that will have to meet God has to go through him, which make him a God. All right, when Christ healed I think the cripple, right? I don't know. I mean, the leper or whoever. When Christ got that person healed, should be Christ told the person not to go out to tell anybody, right? Yes. But out of the guy's happiness, right? The weight of the guy's euphoria was so high. So he has to what? Go out of elation and started what? Telling people what good God has done for him. What good Christ has done for him. It was no, that's Uzo. No, David. Meliofuzo. Say he doesn't see, right? But now this person now called Jesus Christ has paid him to see. Don't be testimony be that. Christ is not the one to give the testimony. He is God himself, right? Elijah is not the one to give the testimony. If Elijah heals somebody right now that person where Elijah healed, now the person now out of illusion, out of getting to one carry to be ademma. Go get where one the madu. The one informer Elijah, or let me say, then informer through Elijah. Look at the good thing God don't do for me, right? Through this person, this man of God. That is testimony. Something that you do at will. Nobody forces you, man. You get me? If God does something nice to you through someone, you understand me? Okay, for instance now, when somebody makes you a rich person right now, okay? God has used that person because God himself can never come down. His grace will touch somebody. You get me? Somebody, maybe your brother, your cousin, your friend, your relation, let me say anybody. Once that grace touches that person, the person will not come and help you. There must be a meeting point, right? God will make it to happen because the spiritual world controls the physical. Whatever that happens here must have happened, must have been planned in the spiritual realm. Now, when the person now meets you and gets you help financially, when you go out to your family members, man, or in case you invite that person for an occasion in your family, won't you be like, mommy, daddy, oh, na poverty. Look at papa and mama. Look at person where God don't use save me from what? Poverty. You understand me? That person becomes your what? Second God. Was that not a testimony, or is that not a testimony? Something that you say to people, right? Try to what? Allow people to make people to know that this thing that has been like this in your life before, look at what God has done to you through this person. That is testimony one day. It was in padre. So guy, you fail am, not be opera. See, not be all you that go school. We go school where? You understand me? So once you are dishing out that post, mind you, the Bible, not only you get Bible, right? We all get Bible. So that Bible, when you read, we also read them as Catholics, where we be. It was even Nepal. And after everything, not only you go reason and talk your own and we believe. No, we have to what? Analyze it and still make our own what? Opinion. And what I'm saying in this video is that, Padre, all you said, no, bad dash me. What's your name? Yes. No, Ebuka Obi go give the testimony. Yes, because at this point now, Ebuka Obi is akin to what? Elijah in the Bible, or Elisha. What's your name? Yes. He is being used by what? God as a tool to what? Save humanity. So people now can who felt that they have been helped, liberated financially, or from financial dungeon, man, can now, out of elation, out of happiness, meet, Mr. C, B, or whatever crowd, right? And be like, look at what God has done for me. Using Ebuka Obi. All very simple. So testimony is allowed. One, no, Padre, I rest my case.